Hello, kuya.
Hello, Cheng. Grabe, di na jud ta, Cheng.
Lagi
I
asa.
can't believe. Video ka?
Ay, video.
Sige na, istorya rin, Cheng.
Hi, Chen! First time na ako sa Monte Santo.
Cheng, Cheng. Video na siya, video. Hello, video.
Uy, tagay
Tawag sa
kugti.
kuya katanginan ng Cortina ako.
Ay, ikaw na, Cheng. Kapit ko, Cheng. Pasa na first time.
Mag-kiss talaga sa floor.
Walang si Ana! Wait lang!
Okay, say something.
Hi, it's my first time to be here. I was able
Okay,
to count
thank you.
320 rounds or steps.
Kapoy, kain may kaunta.
Kuya! First time Hello! First time there are 320 steps all in all. So perfect.
Perfect number.
So tela ka! Bakit kay kuya?
Okay.
Kulay mas duol pa na mo.
Kuya, i-zoom.
Happy birthday, Auntie Maren. Thank you sa cake.
Okay, say hello.
Hi.
I said hello. You're not following instructions. Okay, Anan, say something.
Say something nagbabay
I said
siya.
say something.
Something.
Okay, say something. I said something. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
Gusto mo pagkag something. Okay, say something.
Something.
Okay, very good. Okay, say hello.
Hi.
Very good. Good abiding citizen. Okay, me, myself, and I. Okay, ay nga nun ako gituyok.
Hindi nakafocus. Nahiya naman ako sa beauty ko. Sumang kagawad na rin.
Ran dito ang CRO. So how was your experience going here? Kapoy. Okay, how about you?
So much fun.
Okay, so much fun. How about you?
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
May ako nagawang gani ha.
Okay, what was it?
Kapoy, pero enjoy.
Okay, you, how about you?
Enjoy pero kapoy siya. Pero yung dara nakadiri sa taas, maamis ka sa place kasi na.
Okay, say something about your experience.
Sweaty.
Okay. Okay, how about you?
Wait lang, inom sa ako.
Okay, it's not what I want to hear from you.
Nasa kapoy.
Okay, Kapoy, spell.
Nice, enjoy.
Okay, who else? You, say something about your experience going here.
Thirsty.
Okay, thirsty. And you?
It is fun.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 999.99 for your wonderful answer. Okay, stop it. How do you stop this?
Click lang ba?
Okay, click lang balik. Okay, dapat i-click pud ko diri dapit oh.
Asa sa taas diri?
I have not. Okay, focus kay pong ilong makuha. Okay, it was tiring but yet fulfilling and enjoying. Satisfied that I'm with my friends. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay na. Bye-bye!
Uy, si Randy, nagbango na.
Asa ni siya ipitchi balik, Cheng? Kani?